one real French sentence and then all the grammar and then the vocab that you need to use it right. In today's BitSize French, we're going to talk about savoir faire and then its usage with avec and pour. And it means that to be good at something and know how to handle something. Let's take a look at the structure. So we put someone, subject, sujet, savoir y faire, plus avec, pour, en, etc. It means that we're complementing someone's practical skills or social intelligence or their strategy or their grace under pressure. Let's take a look at first example. Elle sait y faire avec les mots. Elle sait y faire avec les mots. She knows how to use words skillfully. Let's take a look at the vocabulary that's used. Savoir y faire is the structure that we're learning to have a knack for, to get at something. And les mots is the actual words, les mots. Avec is with. So the structure is savoir y faire avec. It's flexible structure and used for specific context. We can say savoir y faire avec les gens. So good with people. Savoir y faire avec les gens. Or savoir y faire avec les chiffres. Savoir y faire avec les chiffres. Good with numbers. So it's very useful structure and you can learn this really well. For example, elle sait y faire avec les mots. Elle sait y faire avec les mots. Let's take a look at our second example. Tu sais vraiment y faire pour calmer les enfants. Tu sais vraiment y faire pour calmer les enfants. You really know how to calm children down. Let's take a look at the vocabs. Vraiment, really, vraiment. Calmer is to calm down. Calmer is to calm down. Les enfants is the children. Les enfants. Don't forget the liaison between les and enfants. Les enfants. So, tu sais vraiment y faire pour calmer les enfants. Let's take a look at the actual grammar structure. Tu sais y faire pour. So in this example, we used pour. In the first one, we used with avec. This is with pour. Tu sais y faire pour plus infinitive. Here in this example, the infinitive is calmer, to calm down. And we're using it to show some sort of purpose and you know how to do to achieve a goal. For example, this type of structure is very good for expressing someone's effectiveness in a specific task. In this example, we say, tu sais vraiment y faire pour calmer les enfants. So you really know what to do with children to calm them down. Tu sais vraiment y faire pour calmer les enfants. Let's take a look at our third example. Même sous pression, il sait y faire. Même sous pression, il sait y faire. Even under pressure, he knows what he's doing. Let's take a look at the vocab. Même is even. Même is even. Sous pression, under pressure. Sous pression. So, même sous pression is even under pressure. And il sait y faire, we know that what it means already. So, même situation, this structure is emphasizes surprising competence. So, même situation. Sous pression is a common French phrase to express stressful condition. So here, we're saying that même sous pression, even under a stressful situation, il sait y faire. He knows what he's doing. Il sait y faire. That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.